Right now we're sitting in a block spot. So recording the sewer line here at 3623 43rd West. Making this recording from the clean out in the back of the home here. We are about 107 feet down the line and stuck at a spot just under the tree. There's a big tree in the front there, and that's as far as I can get the camera out. We're going to be underwater for a bit here as I come back. Should start getting to see something in a minute.
So do we have water collected there because there's a jam?
There's something jammed up there, yes. I can't get the camera any further.
And how has that jam evidenced itself?
Evidenced itself on the camera?
No,
or what do you mean?
but I mean, you're here doing an inspection, in part because Evelyn suggested you should. And how did she worry about there being a jam?
Well, I don't think she's worried about your section. She was worried about her section of the line there. I don't think we did any cleaning over here. We cleaned her section of the line, and that was it. All right, so we're coming back still here through this 6-inch diameter concrete pipe. See some of that water left overflowing there. There's a big root in the line.
Right.
The concrete's getting pretty worn along the bottom there as well. There's not as big of a root, but a root there.
Okay, and occasionally I will send down root X.
Yeah, that's just kind of keeping the roots at bay, or it's supposed to anyway. It doesn't do any killing or anything. It's just a kind of a growth stunter. Pretty good sized root there. Another good sized one there that I have a tough time seeing.
Tell you how many feet are out?
Yeah, we're at 63 feet out, coming back here. Another root on the side there. Suds.
Hey, how are you doing?
Good, how's it going, Aaron?
Sent me round. How's it looking around?
It's seen better days. I don't see any breaks though. I just see a lot of roots coming in.
Okay. Oh yeah. So did you knock at our place, or did I miss you?
No.
Okay.
I haven't been over there. I started. I had an appointment
So
with
the
Evelyn.
water is flowing now, isn't it?
Yeah, it's flowing, but you see these roots you got here. See that root there?
Right.
Taking up a good 80% of the pipe there. Another good sized guy there. We got a little deterioration of the pipe through here, but this is back kind of right at this corner here. Some good sized ones there. Big old honking one. We're back in clay now, so we switched materials from concrete pipe to clay. And this is on the run. So this pipe comes kind of an angle, shoots over to here, and then starts turning up and going up that way.
So
this is in this clay section coming back towards us now.
all right.
So basically, it's roots with no breakages or
I'm
anything.
not seeing any breakage now, but large, big old roots coming in for sure.
Looks like it might. What does it need then? Jetting?
Definitely. Certainly.
Okay. Well, the good news is it's not sinking our house.
Yeah.
That is good news. Big old it's under there. That's kind of getting pretty close back to probably underneath that hose in that area.
And this one's shared with the next door.
Not this portion, but
Okay.
the section that wraps around. And then you got a massive sucker there.
Wow.
It's time for some root access for sure.
Well, I think you're beyond root X at this point. You need to clean this thing. Here's the hose, so we're coming up right here. There is the clean out access we're recording this from. I'm gonna end the video there.
Oh, it's videoed as well.
Get 'em.